In this video, I will share a proven roadmap to making money online, lots of money. I've followed it for years, and it's all included in my free ebook that details a simple blueprint you can follow to start making money today. So stick with me till the end, I'll tell you all about it. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been making money online almost since the start of the internet. I've been doing it full time for over 20 years now. Whether you are looking to make an extra few $100s a month, or maybe you are searching for a way to create a full-time income and replace a job, this may be just what you're looking for. But first, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to subscribe. I post a number of new videos every week to help you make more money. And also, I hope you will give this video a thumbs up too, to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments. I do respond to all of them. So I'm convinced that the best way for everyday people to make more money online is in what is called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you sell someone else's product or service and earn a commission. No previous experience is necessary. Anyone can do it. It can be super simple, even for beginners. It takes minimal time and can be very lucrative too. What I really like is that with the right system, you can leverage the power of automation so that you can be successful by only working a few hours a week at whatever time is convenient for you. And you can do it from just about anywhere. I even do it while I'm out sailing. It's ideal for busy people. You can generate cash flow fast following what I share. Many new people make money their very first day online. And you can earn substantial long-term recurring or passive income too. That's money that can come in month after month from the sales you make each day. I love this passive income. It's what lets me ski most days in the winter and sell most days in the summer while most people are at their job. You will love this recurring income too. This roadmap to making money online is all about the proper training for massive success, and it's detailed in my free ebook called The Affiliate Marketing Success Blueprint. Right up front, it will show you how to get started in affiliate marketing the right way. And this is far more than just selecting the particular affiliate opportunity to promote. And it's where too many wannabe affiliate marketers shoot themselves in the foot before they even get going. It's critical you get this part right. My free ebook will teach you how to market your affiliate offer the right way. You will learn how to use a system to automate the process and generate a daily supply of quality prospects looking for what you have. You will discover the right tools, ongoing training, mentoring, and support. It's a clear and proven path to follow. Bottom line, you need my free ebook. It's direct and to the point. In it, I share proven ways you can make more money in affiliate marketing, even without previous experience. By following what's in the ebook, you can cut years off the learning curve and take the fast track to success just by copying what works. It's really that simple. The ebook is a free download. No credit card is required. Go ahead and pick up your copy of the ebook now. I'm not sure how much longer I will be able to offer it for free. To get your free ebook, go to affiliatemarketingsuccessblueprint.com. Then read it, follow what's in it, and start making money online today. Again, that's affiliatemarketingsuccessblueprint.com. Grab your copy now. We'll talk soon.